Peace and love, family. So, Amari Asad with a quick little video about stop caring what people think. While I bring it to your attention, is a lot of us right now are stagnant and placed in unbalanced and stuck because of what people think, right? I wouldn't be here today if I cared about what people think, right? To this day, they're still going to say anything or mishap. Well, I should have did this. I should have made it left. Should have made it right, right? And it might make people uncomfortable, right? You know what I'm saying? People going to spill shit on your name all day long, right? But I don't live in that space, right? I don't really care because why? I'm going to do what's best for me, my family, and my community that I see fit, right? At the end of the day, that's all I can do is try, right? But a lot of us right now are really stuck and complacent because we are worried about what they're going to say. You're not going to please everybody. This is to you, your family, your friends, your man, your woman, your cousin, Ray, people across the street, everybody on Facebook and social media and things of that nature. You're not going to please everybody. Get out that family, get out that world. You're not. And you're so concerned what they're going to say. Is having anxiety. That's having stress. That's worry, depression. All these things built up. Release that. Sad to say, put the fuck it in your system. Fuck it. Because that's how you have to be. Good or bad. At the end of the day, you got to do what's best for you. Yo, here come your friend. Girl, I told you about dealing with them. Okay. So you ain't gonna listen to me? No. If it's a mistake you gotta make, it gotta be a mistake. You gotta make a mistake by yourself. Cause you can be hurt being with this person or not being with this hurt. So we can't say, oh, because you was with little Ray, that's why your heart broke. No, I can get my heart broken being by my damn self. You can't. So all that chitter chatter, all that doubts, the what ifs or whatever, boom. Just thank you for your appreciation for your advice. Appreciate you for your 2 cents. Thank you. I appreciate you for your give me the feedback. Appreciate it. I'm going to still gonna make this move. Even though you know it's gonna fall miserable, we won't know until we try. Really. So many people want to give you these negative vibes or negative thoughts and process because they don't want you to be successful. They don't. So sometimes we wanna cast our I think you shouldn't, It's nothing wrong with saying, hey, I think you should just, not, put those two together. Well, maybe you should, but it's not coming from a negative space to say, it's gonna go horribly wrong. Suggestions, you know what I'm saying? But I don't feed off negative suggestions. This is what I want you to get to see. Because some people have good intentions at heart. If they call or say they might be a ride or die and all these things or whatever. But at the end of the day, where they at? Can they give you an example of what they did this thing? Or did they go right or left? And sometimes we give false information because we are broken. Because we dislike somebody, so we gonna throw salt, we gonna throw some hate, we gonna throw some shade because we don't like them. You see what I'm saying? So we want you to be on the same bandwagon as I. That shouldn't be the case. Again, we cannot care about what people think. Fuck them. You can still be their friends. Fuck their opinion. You can still be their family. Fuck their opinion. You can still be their lover and man and woman, but fuck their opinion right now. You got to do what's best for you and your time and your need. Hey, let's go. Let's go. And then at the end of the day, if it, sad to say, if it do turn out to be correct, right? Okay, what you want me to say? You want a cookie? I told you something. Okay. There's a lot of things you told me that wasn't right, right? We got to stop caring and putting so much weight on what people think. Sometimes you didn't ask for advice and they gave it to you, right? Oh, the spirit led me to tell you, well, I seen this, and blah, blah, blah. X, Y, and Z. But you probably living a good life. You probably living good. And here come with this nonsense. Here come this bullshit and all these things like that. I want you to be, straight on your path and what you want and what you need. And understanding that it's all about balance. you're not gonna get it right all the time. You might fall, you might trip, but then they still keep walking in your purpose. Keep walking in your journey. Keep walking toward your dream. Keep walking. This topic go for everything that you're doing in life, because everything got opinion to something that you're trying to do, right? And after here, I'm trying to tell you, I'm not saying I take advice, but my whole thing, take it with a grain of salt. Everybody is not going to be on your side when it's come for you sometimes. They may say it, they might do it, and things of that nature. But in real spectrum, it's opinion. Me and my friends, we always, might see, not see the eye to eye. But at the end of the day, it's an opinion, right? But I know they have my best interest at heart. You see what I'm saying? So we got to understand those that doesn't and the ones that do. And at the end of the day, we can come to some 50-50 agreement to say, okay, what should we do? Should we go this way or should we go that way? So at the end of the day, do not be complacent. Do not stop what you're trying to do because of what people are going to think, what they're going to say, what they're going to do because of what you have thought and put in your personal process. Because what happens is if you're stuck right there, you'll never go nowhere. Peace and love, family. It's your bro, Amari Asad.